Hi, my name's Hayden. Right now my video, Carl. It's just an interview of a pizza box. Like seriously, like how funny is that? Okay, so today's how to build a Lego knife, which is like a Lego square knife, which like you just stab into stuff. Wesleyan, don't you dare get in my video. Okay, now you can get in my video. So this is Wesleyan. This is Wesleyan. So you put like a lot of blocks okay, let's just say you put a lot of blocks together to make this. Yeah. And this is my pistol that I made. See? Actually, this one isn't there. So like, I just added it since my hand is bigger than how I made it. And like, this is the trigger. You can put it right there to make your hand fit. To make your hand fit, and you can put it right here to just make more to like make it feel a lot better. And like this is like somebody real this is like an adult. Let's pretend this is an adult. I'm doing that how